Hey guys, I'm here at the Hilton downtown Cleveland Hotel, and I just wanted to do a quick room tour for you. This is the 29th floor of the building, and this is a king suite. Actually not a king suite, it's just a king standard room, I believe. But on a high floor, they often, try to upgrade you for that type of thing. So here's what we have. I'm standing in the doorway. There's a closet sort of area. This is the bathroom. It's just a shower, no tub. You have Crabtree and Evelyn. Toiletries. It's the verbena and lavender. You've probably seen them before. They're pretty standard at a lot of places. It looks a little bit newer, like there have been upgrades and stuff. But you have the larger bottles on the wall, so you don't have the take-home shampoos anymore. And it's a sliding door for the bathroom. So we have a closet with an ironing board and a luggage rack. And here's your living space. You've got a TV and ice bucket and cups. And I forgot to say that there is a little coffee maker that was on the shelf when you walk in. So again, this is a king standard room, but I do believe I got upgraded to a high floor since I have some rank with Hilton. But the nice thing about this room is the view. So like I said, we're in downtown Cleveland, so we have a view of Lake Erie. It's a pretty good view to sit here and look down at nighttime. You can see the War Memorial fountain down below, and it's so big, it's really pretty. We just walked past it. So really terrific view. I'm happy with this. You can see people on the art walk down below actually doing art, so that's kind of cool. Maybe we'll walk down and see that later. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this really brief room tour of a just standard room at the Hilton downtown. And thanks very much. I hope you have a great day. Like and subscribe, please. Thanks.